Hi, this is Neil from NETGEAR. Today I'd like to show you how to shut down a port on an M4300 NETGEAR Managed Switch. So from the command line interface, we log in to the switch as the admin user and password. Then we set enable to allow us to enter commands into the CLI. Then we go into the configuration menu and we'll choose port 1 on the switch to shut down. So we type in interface 1/0/1. Once we're at the interface prompt, we simply send the command shutdown. So how do we see this reflected in the web interface? So if I open a session from a browser, again I log in as admin with the admin password. I go into switching, ports, and we can see that port 1/0/1 is now set to disable. If I go back into the command line interface and I wish to re-enable that port, I just simply say no shutdown and press enter. Go back into the web interface, again click on ports to refresh it, and now we can see that the admin mode is now showing enable. So to enable us to shut that down permanently, we reissue the shutdown command, and this time we're going to save that configuration. So I'm going to exit all the way back to the enable prompt and type in save. Then I will issue yes, and that configuration is now saved. If I want to do this in the web interface to save the configuration, I simply, in the right hand corner, is click on the disk, and that will save that configuration. All right, thank you for listening.